Hi there, my name is Victoria Inebeli. I'm popularly known as @IamVictoria_ across all social media platforms. I am a researcher, a technical content creator, a base enthusiast, and the lead mentor at learnOnchain. Today, I am excited to officially introduce to you learnOnchain, a platform where we believe that the present and future belongs on-chain, and we're here to bring the next billion users on-chain with us. At learnOnchain, we are based OGs committed to making it easier for every other person to get on-chain. Base is for everyone, and our mission is to break down the barriers of getting onboarded by providing dynamic tutorials to help everyone understand what they need to know about the Base ecosystem. Base is built as an Ethereum Layer 2 decentralized by the Optimism superchain and incubated by CoinBase. What this means for you is that our tutorial will extend to Ethereum and CoinBase. Very robust, I know. Our mission is to onboard the next billion users on-chain, and we know that in billions of people, there are creators, developers, writers, designers, and so much more. Thus, we have built learnOnchain with this in mind. Our tutorials will cover both the technical and non-technical aspect of the Base ecosystem. Whether you're a developer looking to start building on Base, a creator looking to explore the Base ecosystem, or someone that is interested in DeFi, wallets, bridges, DAO, social security, infrastructures, and so much more, learnOnchain got you covered. Together, we can unleash creativity, increase economic freedom, create a global economy, and drive innovation. We already got some amazing tutorials lined up for you. Tutorials like what Base is, how to get a Base name for yourself and how to use one, how to set up your CoinBase wallet on your phone and as a Chrome extension, what the on-chain summer shop is, what are NFTs and if NFTs are dead, and so many more. Stay tuned for more amazing content. Let's build the future on-chain.
Hey there everyone, I am DruxAMB and I want to do a quick walkthrough on my team project, just learnOnchain. So to get started, like this is a dashboard of what we use after the login. So if you come to the browse courses here, create them here, it will come to the UI UX here, you'll see the courses, navigating to the UI UX tab. So here is the course under the category UI UX. This can be set by the teacher when uploading courses. You can find the teacher mode here. I'm going to walk through that also. If I go to the smart contract, you will see the course under the smart contract. Here it's showing 100% because I've completed the course and I've mated it into my wallet, into my connected wallet address. I made this into my connected wallet address that is here. That's DruxAMB.ch. See here on this moment. So here I can navigate another course here. Yeah, you can find links, more details about the particular chapter that you are looking at. Here is a link that get to Base website where they can get their business. And this is basically for users that are looking for their business. And here's the PDF uploaded by the teacher. See, 100% complete, no course in progress again. I can come to the teacher mode here. Here's the teacher mode where you update courses. Alright, so here you'll see the code like I was on a published base name with Victoria. I was on a published it. So every course I publish is going to be shown here. And based on when users enroll to my course, I can set my course to free or paid. So if it is paid, whenever a user pay for my course, it will be added to my connected wallet and the money will be sent to me, and I can view the analytics here. Users mint my course when they enroll to my course, then I can view the total revenue here. Then I'll go back to the course. As a teacher, I'll be able to create a new course here. I click on the new course button. So I can create a new course here. Let me say getting started. Okay, continue. And course created successfully. Okay, and here we are. Here I can add description, I can add image, I can the course profiling page. There are three methods of users signing in. Either they use their CoinBase account, their CoinBase wallet, or their email address. Let me sign on my CoinBase wallet. Okay, sign. Now it's loading. Okay, I've been signed in.